Hello, and welcome to Which-craftery. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to make these beaded birds. I have 3 of them here, but So the things you're going to need to make these beaded birds are some fishing line, wire cutters, some wire, white beads, and whatever choice of beads you would like to make your bird. I'm choosing this light baby blue. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get some wire. So the amount of wire you're going to need is about, if you can estimate, about 1 foot. 1 foot would be from this end of the wire to perhaps about here. You're gonna need like 3 feet maybe, so 2. Alright, so here's the end of the wire. I'm going to take my wire cutters and snip it off. Okay, so once you have your wire, you're gonna want to fold it in half. And you should have a bend at the end. It's just about like that. Okay. After that, you're gonna have this. Can't really see the whole length of wire, but that is fine. So the first few beads you're going to take are 2 beads of the color bird you're going to want to make. So you put the 2 beads on the same wire, and you're going to want to pull them down to the loop over here. So take the other wire, and so you're going to have 2 beads here. Take the other wire and thread it through both of those beads. You're going to want to keep the beads as close to the fold or crease you made in the beginning. So just like this. And this loop here, you can the loop doesn't really matter. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to face the loop upward and take those 2 wires, put 2 more of those beads on the same wire. Take the other wire and put it through both of those beads, like this. And then you're going to want to pull them down, and the loop might be right there. So look like that. Alright, so wherever the loop is, still face that upward. Take the 2 wires together and put 2 more beads, having the bottom here flat on the table, or just flat. 2 more beads on the same wire, and put the other wire through those beads, like this. you should have an L. Okay. You're going to take 2 more of those beads and put them on the same wire once again. And then you're going to take the other wire through both of those beads, pull it down, and once you get this, you're going to want to pull the top layer back so it's even with the other layers, so you get a square. Okay, now we're going to take 1 orange bead. By the way, you're going to need 5 orange beads for this project. Take 1 orange bead and place it on 1 wire. Put the other wire through that 1 bead, like this. And that's when you start getting the head. Okay. The next thing we're going to make are the wings. So, take 1 bead. Oh wait, not the wings. You're going to take 1 more bead. That's a blue bead this time. And put it on 1 wire. Take the other wire and thread it through that bead. And then pull. Okay, so now, oops, my beads are flying. Okay, so now you're going to, once you get this, you're going to take this blue bead here and pull it back so it's in the middle of the cube you made, and that will bring down the beak. If you want the beak to be a little higher, you can stretch the beads out by pulling this bead up like this, and then securing. And it will be a little higher. Okay, now we're going to make the wings. Take 3 of the colored beads you want. Take the same wire, it's the same wire this time, and thread it through the 2 bottom beads. So get the same wire that they're on, and thread it through the 2 bottom beads out of those 3. And you're going to do the same to the other side. Take the same wire, put it through the 2 bottom beads, and pull. Might be a little tricky to get it even. Okay, so now we're going to take 2 white beads and put them on the same wire and thread the other wire through both of those beads. Like this. And you're gonna put it in front of the wings and just right behind the beak. Or in even with the wings. Alright. Now you're gonna take two more of the same color that you're making the body out of. And take the other wire and thread it through those two beads, like this. And take two more of those beads, once again, and put the other bead through them. And that's going to be on top of the layer you just made. And in front, like this. Now you're going to take two more white beads, so white beads, and take the other wire and thread it through both of those beads. Like this. Okay. Now you're going to take two orange beads and put the same wire that you put them on through the bottom bead, only the one. And then do that same thing to the other side. So put two of those beads on, same wire, and the bottom through the bottom bead. Okay. Now you're going to take two more of the color that you're making the body out of. And take the other wire and put it through both of those beads. Okay. Once the feet are secured, like this, you can move them. And now we're going to make the tail. So just take two more of the same colored beads and put the other wire through both of them. And you have a tail. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do is take both of the wires and twist them around like this. Push them down to the side like this, and you're going to take your wire cutters and just cut that off. And now you're going to notice that the body's a little separated. So what we're going to do is we're going to spread it out to its longest length like this. And now we're going to use our fishing line. So get your fishing line ready, and you're going to want to take out like maybe this much of it, I'm bending it. Okay. Okay. So I have about 1.5 feet of this stuff. I have about 1.5 feet of this stuff. So now we can secure this bird. Right. You're going to want to take one end and stick it through this bottom square right in the middle. Pull it out here. So you're going to want to stick it through the next square as well. Like this. You might want to anchor down the end of the fishing wire. Then you're going to take this again and place it through the next step right here. And pull that. And then you can smush his body back down again. And now we're at the head. So the head here, take the wire and slip it through the back of his head like this, just the back. And pull it out. And then just push it back. Now we're going to pull the wire all the way through once again. So you have it in the front here, put it down. We're going to go down this time. Pull up the body and put your fishing wire through the back of the body here. And now we can put it here and push it back through the bottom. Push it back together and pull both of them. Now you can take the two ends and make a double knot. I make triple knots just to be safe with this, so you can do a triple knot or a double knot, whichever you prefer. Alright. And then you're going to take this piece here and thread it through the wire at the bottom. And then make another double knot. Like this. Now, he doesn't come apart. I need to resecure that one. This is why I do triple knots, because they stay together for longer. Okay. So, okay. So now that you have it tied, you can take the wire cutters again and cut off that bit right there. And you're done with your bird. Thanks for watching, and bye!